Yeah, it's green light special, baby. It's green light. Yeah, it's green light special, baby. It's green light. Yeah, nigga, it's green light special, baby. Yeah, it's green light. Yeah, it's green light special, baby. Green light is a motherfucking movie. I go off my cat to give a fuck about no bitch, nigga. Ask about me, nigga. Yeah, I'll shoot him up. Bang, bang, bitch, nigga. No call me Mr. DJF. I hard to cold put a bitch nigga to rest. RIP my big breath face. I do the rap shit for my breath and nothing else. Like I said, I don't see now, nigga. Yeah, nigga, I said nah, nigga. I started this shit, nigga. Got the heart of this shit. Can no nigga see me while I spitting this shit? Yes, bitch, nigga. I told you it's green line. Yeah, nigga, it's green line. Special, baby. It's green line. Yeah, bitch, nigga, his green line special, but bad. Yeah, nigga, I go hard in the paint. Gasberry dick, yeah, in my Cadillac shit stain. I don't give a fuck. I be smoking on the good grapes. Yeah, I stay high than a motherfucking like kites, like a baby makes. Yes, nigga, I don't give a fuck. I'm a freestyle king. I know I fucked up, but I still rapping, still slang this motherfucking clean. Cause it's green line special, but bad. Yeah, it's green line. Yeah, it's green line special, but bad. It's green line. Yeah, bitch, nigga, it's green line. It's green line special, baby. I told you, nigga, I'm a freestyle king. Don't give a fuck about bitch niggas. Yeah, I don't let shit pass me by, your bitch, nigga. I shoot him up, bang, bang. Yes, nigga, I scores through your motherfucking safe. Yes, nigga, I don't want to fuck your bitch now. She want my weed, selling my pills. Yeah, nigga, and she on my bed, smoking on my weed, bitch, nigga. And that's new, nigga. I'm a real hardcore nigga. Hard to call for y'all pussy niggas. I shoot him up, nigga. Yes, nigga, I got the 4-5. Yes, nigga, that's a heater. What? Yes, nigga, I'm a freestyle king in this bitch, boy. It's green line special, baby. It's green line. Yeah, it's green line special, baby. This your boy, Mr. DGF. Yes, nigga, CEO of this shit. I thought you know. Green Line Special is the team of this shit. I'm a real nigga, top dog, ass nigga, gangster rich. Man, you know what I mean? Nigga, y'all know who this is, man. This your boy, Mr. DGF, nigga. Y'all bitch nigga be wishing, nigga. Yeah, nigga, stop wishing, nigga. The team is here, nigga. Green Line Special in T, nigga. Y'all hear this your boy, Mr. DGF. This that freestyle shit, nigga. Out the motherfucking dome, nigga. Alright, nigga, it is what it is. Real nigga do a real thing, nigga. I'm doing what I'm doing. What the fuck you doing, nigga? Yes, nigga, I doing your bitch, nigga. Yeah, that I mean, nigga. Step your motherfucking game, man. Green Line Special in T. We're out here live, direct, nigga. And we're coming near you. Yeah, that I mean. Yeah, that I mean. You know, this the motherfucking documentary of this shit, man. Like I said, man. We coming near you, my nigga. Don't sleep on us. Y'all niggas sleeping on us. I told y'all niggas not to sleep on us. But y'all niggas sleeping on us. So, it is what it is, nigga. You know what I mean? And we is coming near you, you and me. You know what I mean? Green Line Special in T. Y'all niggas see it, man. Y'all niggas see it. Y'all niggas see it, man. Blood gang. Y'all niggas see it. Green Line Special. The documentary. You know, this your boy, Mr. DGF. I did freestyle, you got bitch ass niggas. Fresh out the dome. Fresh out the dome, nigga. Y'all see me. Y'all niggas see me. Y'all niggas see me. I don't gotta say no more. I'm out.